There was once a little shepherd taking care of his flock on the top of a hill. He was very bored. To amuse himself, he took a great breath and sang out, "Wolf! Wolf! The wolf is chasing the sheep." The villagers came running to help the little shepherd and drive away the wolf. But when they reached the top of the hill, they did not find any wolves. Instead, they found the little shepherd laughing. "Don't cry, wolf, when there's no wolf," said the villagers, and they left angry down the hill. After next day, the little shepherd, finding himself once again very bored, shouted, "Wolf! Wolf! There is a wolf chasing the sheep." The villagers ran again to help him. But seeing that there were no wolves, they told the shepherd very angrily, "Don't cry, wolf, when there is no wolf. Do it only when a wolf is truly chasing the sheep." Having tricked the villagers once again, Shepherd boy was rolling on the ground with laughter as he watched the villagers go down the hill. After some days, the little shepherd saw a real wolf near his flock. Scared, he shouted as loud as he could, "Wolf! Wolf! There is a wolf chasing the sheep." But the villagers thought he was trying to trick them again.
Thank you for watching.
And this time they did not come to his aid. At dusk, when the villagers saw that the boy did not come back with his sheep, they went to the hillside to see him. "Where's the boy?" the little shepherd cried inconsolably as he watched the wolf run away with all his sheep. The little shepherd was sitting sad and crying. He told everyone, "There was a wolf on the hill and has taken all my sheep. Why did you not help me?" Then, the villagers responded, "We would have helped you, just like we did before. But nobody believes in a liar, even when he is telling the truth." Moral: lying breaks trust. Even if you're telling the truth, no one believes a liar.